Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix live wallpaper not supported issue with your TikTok account. To solve this issue, simply open your TikTok app and click on the three lines on the top right corner and click on setting and privacy. After this, scroll down and here you will find report a problem. Click on it and it will take few seconds to load. So wait, and after that scroll it down at the end and here is the option chat with us. Simply click on this option and this is basically the chat support help of TikTok. So simply type here report a problem and send it. So they just want that we should discuss the issue, so I just want to write I have issue with my live wallpaper on my TikTok account, and this way you can send this message and here you can click on submit a ticket. You can also try this, just explain the issue here. Let's say I will write I have issues with my TikTok live wallpaper not supported, kindly help me in this matter, thanks. So this is the text. You can also attach some pictures or a video of your problem and simply click on submit and your issue will be submitted. A new ticket will be created and TikTok team will help you within 2 to 3 working days for sure. So that is how you can solve this issue.